G'day viewers, well I got some new bloody clips. Instead of using these bloody things to pop stuff with and melt them apart, I got these bloody pack of 6 of these from Bargain Basement at $2. Bloody brilliant. Got a hole there, clamp the cable onto that, cut the rubber off the end, and I've got a good heavy duty clamp to burn stuff out with. No need to worry about burning any rubber. I'm gonna go get me a light so we can see what we're bloody doing. That's a bit better. 120 watt CFL, which is actually 23 watt in the CFL range, but the output equivalent of an incandescent is 120 watt, so a nice and very bright CFL this one. I'm going to try and add some wires to these now, get some nice cable, something heavy duty, and I'll start crimping them on and soldering them on, make some heavy duty popping stuff or burning out jumper leads. Okay viewers, that actually solders on quite well. There you go, perfect. That's one. Now I've cut the rubber off so I can get some conductivity on the end. Beautiful. Worked better than I thought. I'm going to try this one. Okay, cut the rubber off another one and do the same thing. And I got one big jumper lead. I might just cut this wire in half. I don't need it that long. Okay, that's one to the new jumper leads made. 7.5 amp rated mains cable there. There you go. I don't have to worry about it burning out. The only thing I have to worry about burning out now is the cord. Perfect. That's one. And then I make the other one. Okay viewers, that's the other set of jumper leads done. Try a different method. They might actually break off after a while, so I tried feeding it through there, under behind there, and out through the front. That's much better. No, it's a lot less likely to break off now. Might be a bit difficult to grab onto the components, but I can modify the end so it clamps nice and tightly. That's the other end. All soldered on. Perfect. I won't have time to test these out tonight. It's getting a bit late and dark and cold. So thanks for watching.